Yo producers, what's good? In this video I'm about to use the sounds from the loop pack called Mega Bundle Special Edition, and I'm about to show you where you can get this loop pack and what you can get in this loop pack. So let's get to the video. Okay, the loop pack that I'm about to work with is the Mega Bundle Special Edition pack, and in next few videos I'm about to try some of the sounds for this loop pack and actually try to make some fire beats, fire industry beats, and let's get it. Okay, here I am in FL Studio, and this is the sounds that I got. It's not like all the sounds I downloaded, I just downloaded a few sounds. So as you can see, I got tons of sounds here. So these are the drums, these are the drum patterns, double patterns, loop packs, and more. So in this video I'm about to drag some of the loops here and actually make some fire beats. Okay, let's get it what we have here. These are some hard piano. So basically got everything here, and what is really like important that you can download it very easy, in a very easy way, and you can just drag and drop it in every DAW. Ooh, I like this loop pack. So let's drag this loop pack here. Okay, it says 160 BPM, so let's drag it here. Let's go to the song and let's just normalize it, and let's cut this part here. Okay, let's hear the loop now. Oh, it feels like I'm about to make some fire dark beats for Drake. This is like reminds me like of his melodies. So let's call it drums. Okay, let's make a simple 4-bar pattern here, and let's make some drums now. So loop sounds very fire for me. Maybe I can use some of the effects, but I like the way it sounds like this. So I won't do anything here, and I'm about to choose some of my favorite drum kits here. Let me show you real quick. Oh yeah, it's Search by Producer Lover. Oh, this snare sounds super dope. Okay, I think I'll go with this snare and with these hi-hats. I think I'm going to use counter snare here. Kick sounds fire as well. Let's go with this percussion here. Let's go with this. Already sounds super fire. Now I'm about to use some 8/8s here. I think I'm going to use something very easy, very simple. I think these ones are like very easy, very simple. Okay, let's just check it out here. That is in tune, or let the tune C, very good. About to cut itself a little bit, and I'm about to just copy the same pattern here as the kick one, and I'm just going to paste here 8/8s. Maybe let's just add one more open hats, and that's it for this beat. It came out super dope. Let's use some of the open hats here, not these. Let's see what we can find in the bundle pack here. Okay, let's just a second. So there is drum kits. Here's the bundle pack. Let's see what we can find here. There's these are some fire percussions here. I think I can use this. This one sounds very dope. It's like gives like a secret sauce for this beat. It sounds very simple, but very dope at the same time. Okay, let's export everything here. Let's make a little arrangement for this beat, and that's pretty much it, I think. I think we can start this beat with just drums, something like this. And now here comes the full beat. So I think that's pretty much it for this beat. For this video, beat sounds very super, very dope. Again, you can find it here, and basically you can get the sound here. What I'm about to talk is Mega Bundle Special Edition pack. You can get it. I'm also to upload it on the description, so you can download it by yourself and check it out by yourself, that you can make some fire beats. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Beat came out super dope, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.